Good morning. Antonio Gibson, Mr. Landlord with Joe Gibb Property Management Company. It's a cold winter day here in Dallas. Just walking downtown Dallas. Check me out. Why hire a professional property manager? The number one reason why you want to hire a professional property manager is it saves you time and money. Time and money. Yes. We lease properties faster. We thoroughly screen every tenant, which reduce eviction costs. Average tenant renew their lease agreement. So, I mean, if you can't value and appreciate that, I just don't know. Landlords who've been in the business for a long time, they understand having long-term tenant, that's a big deal. Very, very important. In addition to that, we keep you in compliance. We enforce the lease agreement, collect the rent, provide you with the monthly and annual financial statements. The good thing about our services, they are tax deductible. You can write off our services. I'll be providing more content. Feel like it's about 10 degrees outside. I'm Antonio Gibson, Mr. Landlord with Joe Gibb Property Management Company. I holla.